Here is when we are going to see our image through the microscope for the first time. Now, I turned off the light because you wouldn't be able to see it with the brightness of it. You can see it pretty well. Here's our original object. And I want you to see here. This is my pen. So this is actually my brush right next to the iPad. Now, it's all the way down here next to this image, but notice how big it is. In fact, you can see if I put a pen over here, the same thing. Do you see how it magnifies the pen? The pen is very, very far away from the camera, but notice how it's magnified. So indeed, this is a microscope. In this circle right here, we're going to look at and figure out what the image side is. The actual size of the image we're going to measure too. In the last video, we're going to measure everything and do the calculations. So what I'm going to do is just try and draw on the sheet of paper placed at the same plane as the object. I'm going to try and draw what it looks like at about the same size. So there's two lenses in here. We've got the eyepiece all the way over here. We've got the objective here, which is next to the object all the way back there. So let's see. Another thing is, if you notice, the arrow is a little bit too big for me to draw, and it's upside down too. It's going to be upside down because it got put upside down by the lens. So this is about the top of it. You're going to see what I'm doing. I'm going to draw the circle over here and try to draw a circle about the same size. What I'm doing is I'm trying to take that circle and move it over here. And I'm not doing a very good job of it. Okay. Now, does that circle look a little bit too big or a little bit too small? Maybe a little bit too big, so. That looks pretty same. So you guys get the idea. What I'm doing is I'm trying to draw on that sheet of paper with my pinky pen what I see inside. And that is going to be the size of the image. What I'm going to do is grab that piece of paper for the last video, and we're going to compare that with the actual size of the image. So let's go to the last part of this exercise.